Hello friends, today we are going to see about Epson 8050 settings which has launched updated in our software. Okay friends, that only we have going to see in our software. And Canon PVC means Canon G series update also came in our YouTube videos and in our software. You can check in our description box for that. And also we have attached the link of PVC Cut Pro, ePro Plus photo or sign cropping tool, passport photo maker, WhatsApp image or PDF print. And also you have the option of to both number which has English, Tamil and Hindi. You can contact them and you can also comment us if you have any doubt. If you have any suggestion, you also please get back to us. We will surely assist you. Okay friends, we are going to see Epson 8050 settings. First we have to choose ePro Plus. Okay. For ePro Plus, first you have to choose printer option. See friends, Canon PVC is the new update in our software and Epson new tray is the new update in our software. Balance rest of that you have already seen in our previous videos. Okay, first today we are going to see Epson new tray. First you have to choose this and then click the option a document. Today we are going to see, for example, Aadhaar card. For that you have to click option. See friends, the position is totally changed. We want this as a portrait mode. For that you have to click option and then printer setup, and then you have to choose profile name as Epson new tray, and then you have to click portrait mode. Okay friends, and then save. First you have to see here, if you click you thought it will be changed automatically. No friends, it will not change automatically. We have to reselect again. First drag and sheet for example, and then you have to click Epson new tray. Again you have to go Aadhaar card and then choose and then open and then OK. See friends, we want as a portrait mode and it will be changed. And you have to click print option. First you have to print front option and then Epson 8050 series. And in properties you have to change paper source as disk ID card tray, and portrait mode, and paper type is PVC ID card borderless, and then click OK button. And you have to see the option is in color or not, and rest of the qualities will be the same, and then press OK button and OK. You will print the same. And if you want to add the second, again you have to click document Aadhaar card or PAN card, whatever you want, and then open. See friends, you have received your two Aadhaar card or two PAN card or one Aadhaar or one PAN card you want. It will receive. You can change the background, you can color background, mobile, you can add mobile number, border, UID, VID, bold, name. You can adjust the name, you can adjust the font size, you can change the language and print border. Okay friends, that's all. If you have any doubt, please contact us or comment us. We will assist you. Thank you.